So this morning my hair was kind of bleh. The sides just looked a little lifeless. They needed more body to them. So what I did was I have, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 twists that I put into my hair. I just took a section, I put water on my hands, ran it through, and did the twist. Now the back was actually, it had some shrinkage. So I put this rubber band, kind of like a braid and band method, but on the entire ponytail while I've gotten dressed. So we're gonna see if that gave me the lift that I wanted. And what it does, it gives you a little crinkle, enough to give you a lift, but not so much that you have an actual twist out, just more so for volume purposes. And I'm gonna take this out and fluff. And as you can see, my hair is sitting out more, where it may have been more like this morning. It's giving me some volume. And I also got to stretch. As you see, my hair's about right here. This morning, it was literally sitting about right here. So I got an extra inch by just putting this rubber band around the length of my hair like this. And then I went down. Like that. And you can do that at night for a longer stretch, or in the morning for a quick stretch. So there we go. It worked. Fast results. And I did see it is currently 7:18. So it's been like an hour. Those twists that in my hair, and that rubber band was in my hair as well. So hope this helps for a quick lift in the morning.